I guess that works. I guess that works. Saya kira itu berhasil. I guess that works. Can you hand me that book? Can you hand me that book? Bisakah Anda menyerahkan buku itu? Can you hand me that book? Isn't that ironic? Isn't that ironic? Bukankah itu ironis? Isn't that ironic? These apples are fresh and juicy. These apples are fresh and juicy. Apel ini segar dan berair. These apples are fresh and juicy. Is that surprising? Is that surprising? Apakah itu mengejutkan? Is that surprising? Those houses on the hill are beautiful. Those houses on the hill are beautiful. Rumah-rumah yang di atas bukit itu indah. Those houses on the hill are beautiful. Is that your wallet? Is that your wallet? Apakah itu dompetmu? Is that your wallet? This is the best coffee I've ever had. This is the best coffee I've ever had. Ini kopi terbaik yang pernah saya minum. This is the best coffee I've ever had. Can I see that again? Can I see that again? Bisakah saya melihatnya lagi? Can I see that again? This cake is delicious. This cake is delicious. Kue ini enak. This cake is delicious. What's that scar from? What's that scar from? Dari bekas luka apa itu? What's that scar from? These chairs are very comfortable. These chairs are very comfortable. Kursi-kursi ini sangat nyaman. These chairs are very comfortable. Who is that man over there? Who is that man over there? Siapa pria yang di sana? Who is that man over there? Those people are my neighbors. Those people are my neighbors. Orang-orang itu adalah tetangga saya. Those people are my neighbors. Who gave you that package? Who gave you that package? Siapa yang memberimu paket itu? Who gave you that package? These flowers smell wonderful. These flowers smell wonderful. Bunga-bunga ini berbau harum. These flowers smell wonderful. I'm glad that you're here. I'm glad that you're here. Saya senang Anda di sini. I'm glad that you're here. That shirt looks nice on you. That shirt looks nice on you. Kemeja itu terlihat bagus untukmu. That shirt looks nice on you. I think that it might rain. I think that it might rain. Saya pikir itu mungkin hujan. I think that it might rain. It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. Saatnya makan siang. It's lunchtime. These cookies are homemade. These cookies are homemade. Kue-kue kering ini buatan sendiri. These cookies are homemade. Time to eat. Time to eat. Saatnya makan atau waktunya makan. Time to eat. I get dressed for work. I get dressed for work. Saya berpakaian untuk bekerja. I get dressed for work. I leave for work at 6 a.m. I leave for work at 6 a.m. Saya berangkat kerja jam 6 pagi. I leave for work at 6 a.m. I arrive at my office at 8:45 a.m. I arrive at my office at 8:45 a.m. Saya tiba di kantor jam 8.45 pagi. I arrive at my office at 8:45 a.m. I work on my computer. I work on my computer. Saya bekerja di komputer saya. I work on my computer. I iron my clothes. I iron my clothes. Saya menyetrika pakaian saya. I iron my clothes. I think about the future. I think about the future. Saya memikirkan masa depan. I think about the future. That road leads to the beach. That road leads to the beach. Jalan itu menuju ke pantai. That road leads to the beach. These shoes fit perfectly. These shoes fit perfectly. Sepatu ini pas dengan sempurna. These shoes fit perfectly. I always sweep the floor every morning. I always sweep the floor every morning. Saya selalu menyapu lantai setiap pagi. I always sweep the floor every morning. I made my own breakfast today. I made my own breakfast today. Saya membuat sarapan sendiri hari ini. I made my own breakfast today. My friend invites me for karaoke tonight. My friend invites me for karaoke tonight. Teman saya mengundang atau teman saya mengajak saya untuk karaoke malam ini. My friend invites me for karaoke tonight. Whenever you call, I will be there to help. Whenever you call, I will be there to help. Setiap kali Anda menelpon, saya akan berada di sana untuk membantu. Whenever you call, I will be there to help. I bought snacks at the souvenir store. I bought snacks at the souvenir store. Saya membeli cemilan di toko oleh-oleh. I bought snacks at the souvenir store. I go for a walk for 1 hour 3 times a week. I go for a walk for 1 hour 3 times a week. Saya berjalan-jalan selama 1 jam 3 kali seminggu. I go for a walk for 1 hour 3 times a week. We always eat together at home. We always eat together at home. Kami selalu makan bersama di rumah. We always eat together at home. Don't move. Don't move. Jangan bergerak. Don't move. My mom cooks dinner in the kitchen. My mom cooks dinner in the kitchen. Ibuku memasak makan malam di dapur. My mom cooks dinner in the kitchen. Let's wash our face. Let's wash our face. Ayo kita cuci wajah. Let's wash our face. I always comb my hair before leaving the house. I always comb my hair before leaving the house. Saya selalu menyisir rambut sebelum meninggalkan rumah. I always comb my hair before leaving the house. I always put on makeup before going out. I always put on makeup before going out. Saya selalu memakai makeup sebelum keluar. I always put on makeup before going out. My children go to school by school bus. My children go to school by school bus. Anak-anak saya pergi ke sekolah dengan bis sekolah. My children go to school by school bus. I go to work by train every day. I go to work by train every day. Saya pergi bekerja dengan kereta api setiap hari. I go to work by train every day. On weekends, I go jogging in the park. On weekends, I go jogging in the park. Pada akhir pekan, saya jogging di taman. On weekends, I go jogging in the park. Although she was tired, she continued working on her project. Although she was tired, she continued working on her project. Meskipun dia capek, dia terus mengerjakan proyeknya. Although she was tired, she continued working on her project. What happens in your afternoon? What happens in your afternoon? Apa yang terjadi di sore hari Anda? What happens in your afternoon? Before you leave, make sure to lock the doors. Before you leave, make sure to lock the doors. Sebelum Anda pergi, pastikan untuk mengunci pintu. Before you leave, make sure to lock the doors. You know it well. You know it well. Anda tahu dengan baik. You know it well. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be perfect. Anda tidak perlu sempurna. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. You just need to try. Anda hanya perlu mencoba. You just need to try. Imagine you're meeting someone new. Imagine you are meeting someone new. Bayangkan Anda bertemu seseorang yang baru. Imagine you're meeting someone new.